everyone, today I'm going to show you a really quick salsa that you can use for either these chilaquiles or something else. So it's super easy. It was out of it's a riff off of a salsa al horno that I found in a cookbook, and instead of cashew cream I'm going to use silken tofu. So yeah, let's take these ingredients, make a fun sauce that you can use as a base. I keep it in the refrigerator so that I can use it for different applications. It'll last about a week. I've tried it in the freezer. It kind of does okay in the freezer, but I think you're gonna like it so much you're gonna use it up in a week. So anyway, thanks for joining me. Let's go through this recipe really fast. This is such a great recipe to use up leftovers. I had some grape tomatoes, I had a jalapeno, a red pepper, not sure what variety, a couple of cloves of garlic, half of an onion, a box of soft silken tofu, and nutritional yeast. Let's talk about tofu for just a moment. There are various varieties of silken box tofu, including one that I cannot find that I would love to try, and that is the extra smooth. But you want to use soft tofu, silken soft tofu for this recipe. I forgot to start the video, but I put all the ingredients into my NutriBullet uncooked and then put in the jalapeno and whirred away. No chopping, no blending. It really doesn't get any easier than that. So now I'm just going to put it into a saucepan to cook it and then let it to cook down, remove some of the air bubbles. There will be kind of air bubbly when you run it through the NutriBullet or your blender, but as you cook it, it will, the bubbles will calm down. You have a lovely smooth sauce that looks like this. So it's going to be just a little foamy creamy, but all that settles down after it cools. What we want to do is just cook those tomatoes down, add a little bit more salt, cook our vegetables. This is a great sauce for pasta. You can let it thicken even more for a dip. I use it over enchiladas, stacked enchiladas, so it's really quite divine. So this is a great basic recipe. I've used it to make queso. If you just add in your favorite brand of vegan cheese, whatever that looks like, it will make a really nice queso. And all we did was take some basic ingredients, blend them together, no chopping, nothing, put them in a blender, but you do want to cook it so that you cook down and you cook the vegetables inside of this sauce. Hello everyone, and thanks for joining me today. I know that recipe was like so stupid easy, but that's exactly what the takeaway is that I want you to have. That it is very easy if you know what to do. If you're not socialized and raised in how to eat more plants or how to use tofu like me, this is all new stuff. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have a really quick basic sauce that you can really flex and use across multiple cuisines. So thanks for joining me. Be sure to click on this video here to get the enchilada recipe. Stack them, don't ever roll them. It's so much easier. You'll have a great dish for Taco Tuesday. So thanks for joining me. Have a great day. Hope to see you next time. And always remember that being plant-based is creative, colorful, climate-friendly, cost-effective, clean, community building, and just plain cool. Have a great one. Eat more plants, whatever that looks like for you.